Hello and welcome to Layman Lingo. In this video, we will talk about the Virtual Area Network, more commonly known as VLANs. There are lots of discussions on VLANs and I hope this video adds to your understanding of VLANs. The intent here is to keep it simple and start right from the bottom. Let us first try to understand how a host machine connects to the internet. We connect to the outer internet through a router. A switch is then connected to the router and the end devices connect to the switch, thereby establishing a connection with the internet. The image here will perhaps give a better understanding of a connection between a switch and the end devices. So we can say that the switch is the common point in a local network to which all hosts are connected, and any communication between two hosts has to go through the switch. A switch is an intermediate network device consisting of a set of ports, and each host connects to the switch via one of its ports. This representation of a switch will help us to better understand the functions of a switch within a local area network. You will see here that the switch is at the center and all other devices are connected to the switch. So obviously, the switch will need to have an array of ports so that it can allot a single port to all devices that mean to connect to it. The port on a switch to which an end device is connected is termed as an access port. Now coming to the behavior of a switch, by default, the switch receives a message from one host and transmits the message to all the hosts that are connected to it. This behavior of the switch is termed as a broadcast, where all the connected hosts receive a message that was transmitted. And all the hosts that receive the transmitted message are set to form the broadcast domain. Therefore, a switch by default has a single broadcast domain, and all the hosts within the local network that are connected to the switch form its broadcast domain. Let us now look into the issues and challenges that arise due to this behavior. Let us suppose that a local area network has three domains: finance, security, and administration. These domains have separate functions within an organization and are mostly independent of each other. Therefore, it is of top priority that the hosts connected to these domains are able to communicate privately with each other. The messages sent by the security department should be only received by other members of the security department. But the default behavior of a switch does not permit this. Any transmitted message will be forwarded to all the hosts connected to the switch. So, to resolve this problem, we make use of VLANs. The objective of a VLAN is to create separate broadcast domains within the same local network. VLANs create a logical gateway on the ports of a switch so as to create smaller local networks within the network. The configuration of a VLAN on the switch ports can be represented as this, where a host is connected to a port on the switch called as an access port. The access port is configured with a VLAN, which will ensure that the host only sends and receives traffic that is meant for it. Further, there can be only one VLAN acting on a port. Hence, the connected host may belong to only one broadcast domain. We can add more hosts to a VLAN simply by configuring the VLAN on the switch port to which the host is connected. So going back to the scenario described before, by configuring VLAN 1 to finance, VLAN 2 to security, and VLAN 3 to administration, we divide the local area network into three broadcast domains such that the messages sent by a host belonging to one domain will only be received by a host belonging to the same domain as the sender. VLANs can therefore be used in a local network for logical separation and more efficient management of network traffic. That's it for this video. Hope you liked and enjoyed this video. Also hope this video was meaningful. If you have not seen my previous videos, be sure to watch them. Your comments are always welcome. Do like and share this video. Thank you for watching.